Apache 0. Second question. Name the technology used behind LinkedIn Type Ahead.
Is this LinkedIn, the company LinkedIn, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I just mentioned in small letter, that's why.
Yeah, this is LinkedIn.
Name the technology LinkedIn type, right? Is it Neo4j?
Just taking Ajax.
HBS?
Cassandra.
Is it a recommender system type of thing when you say type ahead?
So when you start typing,
Typing.
it starts showing the names.
Okay. Yeah, and I was about to say Mahout, but it doesn't make sense.
Sorry?
I was about to say Mahout.
Anyone from audience? Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Is it Elasticsearch?
So the name of the technology is Clio. So they open sourced it. Clio, CLEO. Clio. So, third. Okay, thanks.
Next question. Name the technology used behind Twitter trend. Real-time trending topics.
Impala?
HBase.
Is it a Storm?
Yes. So Twitter was facing really big problem for trending topics, and then they acquired company owned by Nathan Marge, who is the founder of Storm, and from then onwards they use Storm for trending topics. So it will go to this team now. We have battery. We have charger. Charger.
Yes.
HBase.
Yes, that's right answer.
Okay, fifth question. Name the technology used behind Amazon search.
Elasticsearch?
Yeah.
Pass. Time up.
DynamoDB? We use Mahout.
Solar?
Apache Cassandra?
Just a guess. Kinesis?
No. Sorry? Anyone from audience? Sorry? No. So the name is Cloud Search. They open sourced it after using it. Cloud Search. Amazon Cloud Search it is known as.
Name the next question. Name the Google technology on which HBase is inspired and built on.
Big table.
Yes. That's right. 10. Okay. Yeah, Mans.
Question is next. Next question.
We'll read it.
Did they answer the question?
Yeah, it was right answer. Big table.
Company spun off from Yahoo, which provide Hadoop distribution, HDP.
Hortonworks.
Yes.
Yeah, that's correct. 10 marks.
Hortonworks. Hortonworks. So Hortonworks was the core Hadoop team in Yahoo, and they spin off as a company, and now it is full-fledged company, which provide Hadoop distribution name Hadoop SDP, Hadoop data platform. So now this steps.
Next section is basics on big data system. So the first question, name all the daemons in Hadoop 2.
Okay, so we have resource manager. The
Daemons.
Daemons.
Hadoop daemons. Daemons. Yes.
in Hadoop.
In Hadoop.
2. Yeah.
So what we are saying? It's not, that's not it. Resource manager, app master.
What? Resource manager, app master. Yeah. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Resource manager, app master, then node manager,
Okay.
the client JVM, the client JVM.
Client
Then-
JVM is not daemon. Right? It doesn't
okay,
run.
fine. So app master, node manager, and resource manager.
So we give the mark. No, all the daemons, even though it is Hadoop 2,
Yeah. Okay. Name node.
Yeah.
you
Has
need to
be
name the.
better, right?
No, so
It was not presented in a better way.
no, when in Hadoop 2, it doesn't run name node, is it?
No, it doesn't run. No, name node is there.
So
Yeah.
so you need to answer that. Right?
Okay. Yeah. So name node is there. Secondary name node. Resource manager, application master, node master, and yeah. That's it.
There is data node. Yeah. Yes. So full marks. Yeah.
What is hotspotting in HBase? Hotspotting in HBase.
What is hot spotting in HBase?
When data for a particular table gets stored on, gets stored more on the same region server, that is probably called as hotspotting. Because, since the data needs to get distributed, and if it doesn't for whatever reason, and it gets loaded on the same region or the region server, that particular node has to be hit many times to get that data. So it's not really distributed, and the performance actually is impacted because of that.
Not fully correct.
Do you know the reason for that?
One second. Bhagwat, should we go on? No. Answer is not fully right. So the answer, what I understood is you are saying if the data. Okay, sir.
When there are more than multiple instances of HBase which are trying to read the same set of data from the same block, it is called as hotspotting.
If for in HBase, as we have a range for one region server allocated, so for that amount of range we have a lot of data which is not being not able to store onto that region server, so the performance will degrade. So that is hot.
Anyone from audience? Okay. So okay, what happens is if your key is sequential and the data stream is coming or getting inserted into HBase, so it will go to the same region server. Then that region server get loaded and it gets splitted into two regions again. And again your key is sequential, it will hit one of the region among them. Again it will split into, and again so the split process is costly in HBase, but this continuous splitting is good. So you said data is loaded into same region server, right? So the exact problem is not that. So region server may not have similar amount of data, right? One region server can have more data. Problem happens if your key is sequential. So then this occurs, and then you will be suffer like every time even though if you split, again another region will split. To avoid that, they avoid in row key design, you need to avoid sequential key, or you need to use salting in row key.
Next question. Name 5 DML commands in HBase. 5 DML commands in HBase.
Insert, update, delete, put.
Name 5 DML command in HBase. Yeah. So name 5 DML command in HBase.
5 DML commands in HBase.
Put and get,
Okay.
scan,
Okay.
truncate table,
Sorry.
truncate table. It's still removing data from the table, right? It's the manipulation. And disable a table, disable table.
No.
Put, get, scan, delete, and drop.
Drop it, not DML.
Update.
That's update, put, set, delete.
Put, get, scan, retrieve,
What was that? Last one?
retrieve.
Retrieve.
How many did you want?
5 DML.
5 DML.
Remove.
So
scan, delete, and update.
We started with anyone from? Yeah. So we'll give this team 5 marks. Okay. So it is get, put, scan, increment, and delete. These are 5.
No,
Yeah, we'll not give to
There is
anyone. Yeah, let's delete it. So okay, we are not giving to any team for this one. We'll cut it. Remove it. Yeah. Right. Only one. Yeah. So which team? We asked. We started with you. We started with you.
Right? So at least we should get partial answers for that. We should get at least 5 points. Come on, it's not fair. Anyway, okay.
what is the common authentication mechanism used for security in Hadoop?
Kerberos.
Yeah,
10 marks.
right, 10 marks.
Now we want this one.
What is the difference between sort by and order by in Hive?
Sorry?
Sort. What is
sort
the
difference between sort by and order by in Hive?
In one of the sort by you can, order by you can ascending and descending order, right? And in sort by you have to give a particular key according to which you have to make the sorting.
Not the right answer.
No, I know.
I think your answer.
I guess
It is
I'm
passed, right? So you gave a
10
wrong
seconds,
answer.
sorry.
in order by we can we can give multiple keys, and in sort by it will be only one key.
No, wrong answer.
I'm guessing. Sort by is the regular sort, and order by is more like ranking.
Okay. Sorting can be on the basis of keys, and
Sorry.
sort by is done on keys, and order by on the value.
No difference?
Oh, it is started.
Order by, based on whatever field or column that you give, it sorts based on that particular column's data type. But then sort by is always like, maybe lexical, this one, or a different type of sorting.
No marks.
No,
If you want to
you
try,
won't
you
get
can
marks.
try. Yeah, yeah, you can try.
Depending on the column for the complete set of the data, and sort by is depending on the reducer, each reducer sorting on the basis of reducer.
Right.
Yeah,
So yeah, that's
correct.
so in sort by data gets sorted only within a reducer. Order by overall data set gets sorted, and the problem with order by is it finally take one reducer. All the data need to go one reducer and get sorted there. And sort by data won't be complete sorted. No.
Next
Okay,
question.
is-
There is no, we are not okay. I can continue. What is the server-based workflow engine specialized in running workflow jobs with actions that run Hadoop MapReduce, pick jobs, and other? What is a server-based workflow engine specialized in running workflow jobs with actions that run Hadoop MapReduce, pick jobs, and other?
MapReduce, pick jobs, and others. That is
Any
OZ.
other? Right answer. Next question. Tool used for parallel copy in Hadoop.
Tool used for
Tool-
parallel copying in Hadoop
In Hadoop.
between two clusters or in different clusters.
I mean, moving data
Right, between clusters.
between clusters. Okay.
Dist CP.
Right,
Right
5
answer.
marks.
5 marks.
We are done, right?
So we are done with our sections.
Thanks.
Let's, yeah.
Yeah, that's
from
all.
Yahoo, it's the. So you can.
Yeah. So you can stop. Yeah, from Yahoo itself.
All right, so I think that concludes the quiz by Yahoo. So my colleague Murli is going to collate the scores, and in the meantime, can we have our panelists from Dell who would be conducting round 2, which is big data analytics. That's the quiz.
Arvindan from Dell, and what can I say? So it's an honor for us to host this show, and good to see a lot of techie guys in all the teams. And we've tried to keep the questions very competitive. And advance apologies if we don't meet the expectations. And we'll try our best. So I saw a lot of really hardcore techie questions from the Yahoo team. So we have tried to give a mix of technical as well as general questions in analytics. That's what we have done. And so start with the presentation.